Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of pinning a post on your Facebook business page. Pinning a post is a great way to highlight important information or announcements to your audience. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on Pages in the left pane on the home page. Step 3. Select the business page that contains the post you want to pin. Step 4. Find the post on your business page. Look for the three-dot icon, also known as the More menu, located at the top right corner of the post. Step 5. Click on the More menu and select Pin to top of page. Step 6. To unpin the post, simply click on the More menu again and choose Unpin from top of page. By pinning a post to the top of your Facebook business page, you ensure that it remains prominently displayed even as new content is added. This is particularly useful when you have important announcements, promotions, or events that you want your audience to see first. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to pin a post on your Facebook business page. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.